But first, accused killer and Towson native Luigi Mangione appears in court today for a status hearing in New York City. Dozens of Mangione supporters gathered outside the courthouse carrying handmade signs and chanting, "Free Luigi."
Free Luigi! Free, free Luigi!
Well, good evening and thank you for staying with us. I'm Kai Jackson. The 26-year-old is accused of killing United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson in December of last year. That case started a debate over health care reform, with some supporting Mangione while others demand he be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. Fox 45's Jeff Abel joins us live right now with a closer look at today's hearing and the support for Mangione. Jeff?
Well, supporters waited for hours in the freezing cold this morning to show support for Luigi Mangione. It was a brief court hearing, but it did provide some indication about the direction this case could be going. It was long before sunrise when supporters began gathering outside the courthouse to show support for Luigi Mangione. His picture now fixed on skyscrapers and rolling through New York City. The 26-year-old Marylander is accused of killing United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. And for the first time since his arraignment, Mangione appeared in Manhattan criminal court, handcuffed and wearing a bulletproof vest.
I don't understand what this show of danger is for. When I go visit Luigi at MDC in Brooklyn, I sit with him. He is unshackled. He walks around freely in the visiting area. We sit in a room together without law enforcement hovering over us.
Following the short status hearing, defense attorneys pointed to problems with the case, starting at the moment of his arrest in Pennsylvania.
And we are concerned that Luigi's constitutional rights were violated in Pennsylvania, and there are serious search and seizure issues that will be litigated.
His defense team seemed most troubled by pretrial publicity, which they insist could jeopardize his right to a fair trial.
How shocking it was that this week on HBO, in a documentary, I see the chief of detectives and the New York City mayor, full hair and makeup done, sitting down and giving an interview for television and talking about the evidence in Luigi's case, talking about police paperwork that we don't have, talking about forensics that we have not yet received.
The more media attention that Luigi Mangione's case gets, it's good for Luigi.
Legal analyst Jeremy Eldridge predicts Mangione could benefit by publicity in the case.
There was a lot of evidence against O.J. Simpson, we now know, but because of the police misconduct, because of the sentiment publicly about the LAPD, the jury was shrouded by that misconduct in a way that it made it more difficult for the state to present its case effectively. That same issue could happen here.
Mangione's next court date is slated for June. A trial date is yet to be set. We're live. Jeff Abel, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.